Hi, I'm Mijan Roman Khan. Today I'll show a video for you how to disable startup application on Windows 10. Here's right button, click on taskbar, click Task Manager. Now click Startup. Mark your software for disable. Just click here or right button and click on enable or disable. Very easy way you can apply this. You can open your Windows 10 Task Manager, Control Alt and click delete. Just click on Task Manager. You can open this another way. Just click on Task Startup and apply that. And apply here. If you want Task Manager open another way, click here, search Windows, write Task Manager. And click on there. Now you can apply here. Just mark and apply. Dear viewers, thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment, share and also subscribe my YouTube channel for next upcoming exciting video.